Case study. Local craft brewery. Expansion problem. Hops Barley, a local craft brewery known for its unique and high-quality beers, has built a strong local following. The management is considering expanding its business model to include a direct-to-consumer online sales platform and a small-scale tap room for visitors. The goal is to increase revenue and reach a broader market, but they need to validate whether these new additions will be successful. Assess Hops Barley's current business model, including its customer segments, value proposition, and revenue streams. Analyze the potential benefits and challenges of adding an online sales platform and a tap room. Consider factors like market demand, logistical requirements, and brand alignment. 3. Develop a revised business model that integrates these new components and addresses potential risks. 4. Create a plan for validating the new model, including designing an MVP for the online sales platform and a test run for the tap room. Suggest methods for gathering feedback, such as customer surveys, focus groups, or a soft launch. Identify key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the success of the new business components, such as online sales conversion rates, taproom visitor numbers, and customer satisfaction levels. Propose strategies for refining the model based on the data collected.